I'd like to say Alhamdulillah, 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 that this week, our President signed into law Republic Act 12018. Because of the able leadership of our Speaker, Speaker Martin Romualdez, we no longer have to go all the way to Zamboanga just to avail of the Sharia courts. Then, before PD 1083 limited the Sharia courts to Mindanao because Muslims were only in Mindanao. But now, because of Republic Act 12018, we can now avail or create Sharia courts in Metro Manila, Metro Cebu, and other administrative regions in the Republic of the Philippines. And that is accomplishment of the 19th Congress with the full support of the NCMF. So I'd like to thank the NCMF for their support in our legislative process.